Join me as I dive into the wild world of frogs and challenge myself to find out what makes their breathing system so peculiar. Frogs are fascinating creatures that have adapted to thrive in various environments, from humid rainforests to dry deserts. And one of the most crucial factors that contribute to their survival is their unique breathing system. But have you ever wondered what makes it so special? Frogs face a central challenge in respiration, one that's vastly different from mammals. While we use our lungs to breathe in oxygen, frogs have to work extra hard to make sure they're getting enough air. You see, their skin is permeable, which means it's super thin and allows gases to pass through easily. This sounds like a great advantage, but it also means that frogs lose a lot of water through their skin, making dehydration a huge concern. As a result, they need to be extremely efficient when it comes to exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide. Unlike mammals, frogs don't have a diaphragm to help them breathe. Instead, they use a series of muscles to expand and contract their rib cage, allowing air to enter and exit their lungs. This process is called buccal pumping, and it's a lot more energy intensive than our own breathing mechanism. But why go through all this trouble? The answer lies in their environment. Frogs live in habitats where oxygen levels can be incredibly low, so they need to be able to extract every last bit of oxygen from the air. But here's the thing, frogs don't just rely on their lungs to breathe. They also use their skin to absorb oxygen from the air. This process is called cutaneous respiration, and it's a game changer for these little guys. By using their skin to breathe, frogs can supplement their oxygen intake and survive in environments where other animals would struggle to thrive. So how do frogs manage to breathe through their skin? It all comes down to their anatomy. Their skin is covered in tiny little blood vessels called capillaries, which allow oxygen to diffuse in and carbon dioxide to diffuse out. This process is made possible by the presence of a thin layer of mucus on their skin, which helps to facilitate gas exchange. It's an incredibly efficient system, and it's one of the main reasons why frogs are able to adapt to such a wide range of environments. But cutaneous respiration isn't the only trick frogs have up their sleeve. Some species are also able to breathe through their mouths and throats, using a process called buccal respiration. This allows them to take in large amounts of oxygen-rich air quickly, which is especially useful when they're under stress or need to escape predators. And in some cases, frogs can even absorb oxygen from the water they live in using a process called aquatic respiration. This is made possible by the presence of specialized skin cells that can detect changes in oxygen levels in the water. One of the most fascinating aspects of frog respiration is the way they're able to switch between different breathing methods depending on their environment. For example, a frog living in a humid rainforest might rely mainly on cutaneous respiration to get the oxygen it needs. But if it finds itself in a drier environment, it can switch to buccal respiration to get more oxygen from the air. This adaptability is key to their success, and it's one of the main reasons why frogs are able to thrive in so many different habitats. So, to summarize, frogs' unique breathing system is all about adaptability and efficiency. By using a combination of lung, skin, and buccal respiration, they're able to survive in environments that would be challenging for other animals. And it's this incredible flexibility that makes their breathing system so peculiar and so fascinating. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild world of frogs. If you've got a favorite frog fact, leave it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about amphibian adaptations, be sure to check out my next video.